My confidence is on 100. I probably came in here like on 20%, like, damn, like this is probably gonna be hard. But honestly, I'm ready to go outside. 100%, they do give you the blueprint. All you have to do is just apply it every day. Bro, we coded $2.5 million in one day. If I would have never came here, I probably wouldn't have gotten to that point, bro. My name is Cesar. I'm from Irvine, California, and the reason I'm here is to upgrade the craft and elevate my knowledge as far as the detailing, wrapping, tinting. Trying to open up my shop, all in one. That way we offer all the services that, anybody who has a car could appreciate. I came here, like April of last year? Detailing, you pretty much get it on your own, but not so much as the business aspect. That was the most important part. Bro, we coded $2.5 million in one day. If I would have never came here, I probably wouldn't have gotten to that point. So I came back for the same reason, bro. So, the first time was a success. If I take another class to elaborate my skills, my craft. I didn't even want to watch a single video on YouTube. I didn't want to think of oh, it's this way, it's that way. I wanted to come in fresh. So, I kind of understood how the wrap worked. It's like a sticker, you kind of stick it on, but obviously not about the corners, the tucking in, the little tricks and stuff like that, which is why we're here, because I'm not the first class, I won't be the last class, so that's for a reason, Not a YouTube university graduate. So that was just my idea, just coming into this rap class. I'm gonna learn more. And, everything else, just like the first time, bro, it's just hands-on experience once you go in the field. Yeah, so when I was watching the videos, it was straight up heat gun. They put it there, and while they're laying it, they're actually heating it up. Some shots they were preheating the film. So it's just a different techniques. I would 100% rather do it cold, just because the same way that Adrian explained, if you could do it cold, then once you heat it up, you're more in control. You could make it do things. But if you're doing it cold, you don't need to rely so much on it. It becomes more of a skill rather than seeking for the heat gun. Oh crap, I couldn't do it. Adrian said that man is the master of his craft, bro. The stuff he was doing, especially when he did that door handle, that was smooth, bro. Oh, it was a booster, bro. Because if he could do that, it's I could get it eventually. Obviously, with time, practice makes perfect. And it's here you get the real thing. They could only show you so much before you come across the same issue, and they make it look easy. But obviously the tools help, getting the little ones that tuck, just everything, I feel like having all these tools definitely help. For example, the magnet. We were able to put the magnets on, look back and check if everything fit and stuff like that. We help each other, and at the same time, you kind of have to figure out on your own. You put your own ideas in. It helps you elaborate on just the thought of there's not one way to do it. I'll try one way, Tony will try a different way, and then we kind of put it together, just work out. It's just trial and error, bro. My confidence is on 100. I probably came in here on 20%, damn, this is probably gonna be hard. But honestly, I'm ready to go outside and just do it. I have 2 clients that are waiting for me to finish the class so I can go wrap it. So I got a Raptor, a Julia, and then that guy that has the Lambos and stuff, he's gonna want me to wrap those as well. So the plan is to wrap 100 cars, bro. I want to make 300K by the end of the year. If I have any words of advice, it would be just believe in the craft. Everything they teach you here is for a reason. It's already a plan set up, kind of give you that blueprint, that baseline. And most importantly, just believe in the products that you're putting out there. So if you're doing a paint correction, believe you're doing the best paint correction, just in that service. Bring good quality service to anybody who's seeking your service. And anybody who is looking to get into detailing, wrapping, PPF, tinting, even cracked windshields, repairs, all that stuff, Right Look is a place to go. They give you the fundamentals, they give you the information, you choose what to do with that. But 100% they do give you the blueprint. All you have to do is just apply it every day, take up as much as you can, as far as techniques, as far as the actual written, the guidelines they provide for you. At the end of the day, they're gonna give you a whole binder explaining everything, you know, that you need to know, technical, you know, terms and everything about detailing. So I can only imagine about rapping. It's probably gonna be just as detailed. So, you know, definitely Right Look, check it out.